Hello everyone, today we will make the mask of the Huntress from the game Dead by Daylight. To start, downloading a scan. Open it in the program Pepakura. A link to the program will be in the description under the video. We adjust the dimension for ourselves and print on thin paper, for example, for drawing. After being printed out, we punch out the line of the folds on the sweep. I did this with an empty ballpoint pen and a ruler. Cut out the details, then start bending the details along the fault lines. We start to glue the details. During the gluing process, we are guided by the scan on the computer.
What's holding you down? I ain't like others. Don't let them hold your ground. I am in the summer sky. I am hearing all the lies.
Now the stages of gluing will be shown. There are struts in the scan, but there are not enough of them, so I advise you to make additional ones. Strengthen the epoxy resin, mix it with the hardener and apply it to mask. As the first layer, wash a plate, let the mask dry completely. We apply one more layer of epoxy resin. From the inside, the mask can be strengthened with epoxy resin or with a papier-mâché mask. Leave to dry. Crop excess. Align the edges with sandpaper. We put a putty on the mask. I used acrylic putty on the wood. We work with sandpaper. We apply one more layer of putty. Then with the help of sandpaper we again process the mask, so to the desired result. We put on the mask crack mask chips, scratches, as I used a drill.
Are we dreaming? 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 Are we dreaming?
We will ground a mask. It is possible to use a ground or glue PVA as in my case.
Are we dreaming? Are we dreaming? We're dreaming. We're dreaming. We're dreaming.
Start painting. Use acrylic paints. Fill the entire mask in the marine white color and let it dry.
Are we dreaming? Are we dreaming? Are we dreaming? Are we dreaming?
Repaint the inner part of the ears. Paint the cheeks and nose. Use the damp
Atoms
cloth
fall
to
apart.
remove the paint.
Solar flares arrive. Buildings collapse. Only a few will survive. The world as we know it will no longer be there. Water is gone. A new era has begun. Prepare yourself for the apocalypse.
We pat black paint on our chips and crack it. Then carefully gently wipe the excess, thereby making dirty stains on the mask in parallel.
The apocalypse. The heat is scorching. Forests burned up. The sky colors red. Volcanoes erupt. The world as we know it will no longer be there. Water is gone. A new era has begun. Prepare yourself for the apocalypse.
Draw the eyebrows.
I need a scarecrow.
We make blood splashes of red paint. I did not find it in my home, therefore I used red nail polish. After that, leave the mask to dry, glue the elastic band to wear the mask, and that's it.
You left me in pieces. There's no more to break. Don't wake me up, not in this century. Don't wake me up, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there. You're just a memory on my lips, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head.
The mask is ready. Also, it can be covered with matte acrylic lacquer. That's all. Thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to put your like to this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.